Hello everyone, let's make again the super moist and super soft banana bread.
Wow.
And you know that this banana bread is very yummy and because it's baked with love. So I know I've been posting this recipe of making banana bread in my recent post, but I don't really care, cherries. Just joking. For those people who haven't seen my old posts of baking banana bread, then this is for you guys. So if you really want to try this recipe, I am assuring you that this is the best. I've made this many times, so even though I've seen a lot of recipes of banana bread in YouTube or any other cooking apps or baking apps, but still I stick into these recipes because I already memorized this and the outcome is always good, and this is what my husband like. So I felt like speaking English today because that's what I felt, you know. So if you don't like my grammar or if ever my grammar is wrong, so what's your care? Business your own, charis. So the recipes and ingredients of this banana bread is you will see it on the video. So again, I apologize for my grammable because I'm not grammable. So if you are grammable, are you sure the ball? Cherise. So I just really happy, because I'm just happy because last time I was really problematic. I was thinking really a lot of stops make me stressed. But after I prayed it all to God, I give it all to God, then I'm okay because God is in control. So it's just a trials. We have to be strong. We have to keep on praying. So that's my good advice today. So now it's time for baking. So you see on my screen that we will wait 20 minutes. So while waiting, I'm gonna wash my dishes. So that's what I always do. I keep washing and washing dishes while cooking or baking. So this is the another batch, the heart shape. See, I already greased the pan. So again, when you are going to pour the butter on the pan, don't make it full, just 3/4 only because it will, alsa-alsa. I don't know that in English. So now our banana bread flower shape and heart shape is done. So it's coffee time. So if I were you, I will try this recipe. See, I will show you how moist and soft this banana bread is. So let's try the flower shape. See, I'm not gonna bite it because this is not for me. Bye.